Good people, I hope you are well and keeping healthy. Welcome back to this channel with me, Lucy Chege. I hope you are well and keeping safe and healthy. And today we are going to prepare something healthy, something that you can use as your breakfast, as a snack, because it has all that you require if you are living a healthy lifestyle. Let me introduce you to my ingredient, but before then, make sure you hit on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you get notified and you get to be among my nutrition people who are willing to have a healthy lifestyle. So this is what we have for today. Very simple ingredients and also they are very affordable. We have our blueberries. We have a mango, red apple, a green apple, a beetroot, and also a watermelon. That's all we are going to use for our salad today. We are simply going to make a fruit and a vegetable salad. So let's get started and see what you're going to have at the end. I'm going to start with my ingredients nimeziosha. Make sure you wash your fruits and veggies very thoroughly before you prepare or cook. So this is our first ingredient, a green apple. And we all know the benefits of apples. We even say an apple a day keeps doctors away. Apples, they are a powerhouse of all the antioxidants that your body requires. And also it is good to note that the main purpose of preparing this salad, it is to boost our immune system. Like tuko mwaka mpya, we all want to have a good immune. Hatutaki kuanza mwaka na kwenda hospitali. So and this is one way of making sure that we boost your immune system. Eating foods that are high in antioxidant and all those phytochemicals. And apples, one of those ingredients that you require. If not daily, maybe on alternate days. That's our green apple. Let's now move to our red apple. And do you know the difference between the green and red apple? If you know, let me get to know the comment section. Get interactive. Let me know. I think I've ever mentioned here. If you can remember, if you know, please tell us on the comment section. We can add our mango, just a piece. We're not going to add all of it. It's quite big. And yes, I'm not going to peel. One of the reasons why I love fruit salad, I'm a vegetable salad, is because you get to consume everything. Unlike the fruit juices where you're going to peel the skin. If a fruit has an edible skin, it's always advisable to eat it whole, because that's where you're going to benefit from all the fibers that your body requires. So for mangoes, sioni haja ya kupeel. Let us just take it whole. Watermelon, good source of lycopene. Lycopene is a strong antioxidant. And also we know watermelon is a good way of hydrating your body. So this is a watermelon. Just eat everything, even including the seeds. You don't have to remove them. watermelon. You can just mix before I add the rest of the ingredient. Like hapa ukikula, you're just nourishing your body, feeding your cells what they require. Now we can add our blueberries. Berries, they come in variety. There are different type of berries, but for now you're going to use the blueberries. We know them as good source of anthocyanins. Anthocyanins, strong antioxidant for our body, and also they have a low glycemic index, meaning they are ideal for diabetics. So if you are diabetic, you're safe with blueberries. Going to add, you can just actually add all of them. See, meaning they're just my leftovers. And now on to our final ingredient. Like anything that any food stuff that you see, it has this purple color pigmentation. Ama anything you know ni ya purple, just know it has an antioxidant we call anthocyanins. That includes your onion, the red cabbage, nini kama hizi the blueberries. Hiyo purple color inaoneshana it's rich in anthocyanins. Beetroot, good source of potassium, meaning if you're hypertensive, you need it so much. And also it's good for nitrates, meaning kama wewe ni mtu wa workout, mtu wa gym, you might consider having a beetroot before you engage in those workouts. And also good source of vitamin C. So that means when you combine beetroot, or maybe you can eat a food rich in iron, then you have a beetroot after, because it's rich in vitamin C, which helps in the absorption of iron in our body. That's enough. Can now add our beetroot, our final ingredient for today's salad. But if you are diabetic, please always take caution. Know when to have such a salad so that you can take care of the blood sugars. Go slow on fruit salad. It's always recommendable you take one fruit at a time. And also the timings are very important. So if you're diabetic, please consider going slow on such. And also it's always good to consult your nutritionist, your doctor, before you have such diet. And so that's what we have. A bowl of fruit and vegetable salad. Vegetable because we have a beetroot, but the rest are fruits. Let me get to know the comment section. What do you think about my fruit salad? What next should I make? Should we do a fruit juice, a smoothie? Ama you also need a another recipe for a fruit salad? Let me get to know the comment section. And also share this video widely because tuko mwaka mpya. One of our resolution, I know, is to make those healthy food choices. And so this is one of the health choices that you can decide to have the rest of this year. Like I said, our fruit salad is ideal. You can take it at any time of the day. You can have it as your breakfast, as a snack, 10 o'clock, 4 o'clock. And also if you are on a low carbohydrate diet, low carb diet, you can decide to have such for your lunch and also for your dinner. This is what we have. Get interact in the comment section. Let me get to know what you think. What next should I try on this kitchen? And nitawatengeneze because my main goal here is to advocate for healthy food choices and also healthy living. So get interactive in the comment section. Also subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you get notified. And also share widely. Bye bye. See you next on my next recipe.